Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to hide your recent items from your Dropbox mobile. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to hide the recent items on our Dropbox mobile application. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to Account. The button's at the bottom right of the screen, right next to Photos. Simply click on it, and from here, something like this will open up. Well, do you know, right now, we do want to go to Settings. The button's at the top right of the screen. Just click on it right now. Once you're in the Dropbox settings page, you can see lots and lots of options, but worry not. What you guys have to do is simply scroll down to the very bottom, and in the Privacy tab, you can see a few options like this, the thing we are looking for. Hide recent items on Home, Clear Cache, Reset Photos tab, and Clear Search History. Well, right now, we simply need to click on the first option that says Hide Recent Items on Home. Once you click on it, well, that's it guys. Your recent items on Home have been hidden. I'm going to show you guys right now. And this is it. As you can see, the recent items have been hidden. That's it guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.